Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will hold a film review presentation as part of the midterm examination in the Business English 2 class. There, Miss Indi Nervilia BEBM MBA is also the main lecturer in this course. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adelia Rahma Ayu Pertiwi and I will be the moderator for this session. And for our presenter today is Karenia Nailasita Madani, who will present a review of the film Two Blue Lines. Okay. Hi Karen, nice to meet you.
Thank you Adelia Rahma Ayu Pertiwi, nice to meet you. I'm excited to share my thought on this emotional and thought-provoking film.
Oh, great. To start off, could you tell us what the film is about?
Of course, the film I am reviewing is Two Blue Lines, or in Indonesia, Dua Garis Biru. This film was released in 2019 and was directed by Gina S. Noir. The duration is approximately 113 minutes. The film stars Angga Yunanda as Bima and Adisti Zara as Dara, two teenagers who face the challenge of early parenthood. Before we move on, here's a short scene from the film to help you understand the mood and storyline better.
Kapan jadiannya? Anaknya sopan. Kayaknya baik ya.
Nah ini mau jualan. Aku post di IG ya. Jangan dong.
Ra,
Bim.
saya akan tanggung jawab.
Kamu mau tanggung jawab kan? Iya kan? Mulai hari ini.
Tahu banget sih lah. Lu tahu gak sih kalau lu tuh goblok namanya?
Katanya mama mau kasih bayinya ke Tante Lia sama Om Adi. Soalnya mama gak yakin lo bisa ngurus.
Gimana kalau nanti anaknya panggil kamu Om, Dara dipanggil Tante?
Gak bisa mereka begitu aja seenak-enaknya.
Jadi, kehamilan di usia Dara ini resikonya sangat tinggi. Tubuhnya Dara itu belum siap.
Aku serius, Ra. Aku serius waktu aku bilang gak akan pergi ninggalin kamu lagi.
Dara kayaknya ragu. Coba kamu ngomong sama dia. Ini demi anak kamu juga.
On this slide, I will explain the short synopsis of the story. It focuses on the main character and the turning point in the relationship. Dua Garis Biru tells the story of Bima and Dara, two high school students who are in love. Their youthful romance takes a serious turn when Dara becomes pregnant, shocked and underprepared. The two teenagers must face these consequences of their action. They deal with pressure from their family, society, judgment, and their own personal struggles. Bima was to take responsibility, but Dara parents have different plans for their daughter's future. Despite many challenges, Dara eventually gave birth. In the end, Bima and Dara are not together romantically, but both are committed to raising their child and taking responsibility as young parents. Now, slightly relate to grammar. I will show you 3 types of grammar found in the dialogues of Dua Garis Biru. First, we have the simple present, which is used to express habit to general truths. For example, when Bima say,
Kamu gak sayang sama aku.
use this best from love, showing a current emotional status. Next, the second grammar used in the dialogue is past continuous. For example, when a character says,
Aku mikir minimal kita ketemu dulu.
it use was speaking, which is the past continuous form. This tense show that the talk was happening at a specific time in the past, maybe before something else happened. Then on the 3 slide, we move on to the 3 grammar use, which is simple future tense. For example, when say something,
Aku bakalan sebesar ini gitu.
the starters use the modal will, which show something that is expected to happen in the future. The strength on this film are the emotional acting, a blonde them, and a strong moral message. However, its weakness include a predictable plot and underdeveloped supporting character. Next, we move on to the message value from the film Dua Garis Biru. There are 4 main value. First, responsibility. Second, to importance of education and the future. 3, communication at family rules. And 4, love it not always enough. Yup, and now on this slide, I will share my personal testimony about the film. After watching the film Dua Garis Biru, I feel that this film is very touching and open my eyes to the reality that often occurs around us. And my personal rating for this film Dua Garis Biru is 4.5 out of 5 star.
Thank you, Kevin, for the explanation. And now I have a few questions about the film you have described. For the first question, what is the role of the family in responding to the conflict faced by Bima and Dara?
The role of the family is very important. Both families experience disappointment, anger, and confusion, but in the end, some family members begin to support the young couple. This shows how difficult but also how important family expectations.
Okay, for the second question, does this film succeed in conveying a message about the importance of sex education among teenagers?
Yes, I think so. This film clearly shows what can happen if teens don't get enough information. But sexual health and decision making, this film reminds us that education and open communication are very important.
Okay, for the last question for me, in your opinion, what makes this film different from other teens dramas film?
I think this film is more realistic. This film does not sugarcoat the problem. The film doesn't end with a happy ending, but it does provide a powerful message about real consequences and personal growth. I have one question for you from your point of view. which I have explained a little. We watched it together yesterday, right? What makes this film different from other dance drama film?
Okay, thank you for Karen for your question. And now I will answer your question. From my point of view, To Blue Lines stand out from other teens film because it dares to address a sensitive and often avoided topic, such as teenage pregnancy, in a realistic and emotional way. Unlike many teens movie that focus mainly on romance, so school life, so friendship, but Two Blue Lines explored the real life consequence of a serious decision made at a young age. So, what make it different is the way it showed both side of the story, not only from the perspective of the teenagers, but also from the parents, society, and even the future of the baby. It doesn't judge the characters, but rather rather invites the audience to feel what they go through confession, the disappointment, but also growth and responsibility. The film also presents strong moral message without being preachy, and the acting feels genuine and relatable. It's not just a movie for entertainment, but also a reminder and a lesson, especially for young people and the parents. Okay, thank you very much for your good attention. And the last, I say you wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you later, guys. Bye bye.